Well, good morning, guys. Welcome to the illegal garage. We're here on another nice-ish day on Chicago. We're gonna do another little mode on the Tacoma. As you can see, that's the bottom we did on the last video. Looks pretty nice. I still got the protective plastic. But today I'm gonna do a Rexing dash cam. But I don't want to have all the wires going everywhere. So from Amazon, I'll put links on the description. I got this Dongar Technologies simple USB port 12 pin for Toyota, which is gonna give me power for my camera from this, I don't know if you can see it, from this plug right here. It's hard to see it. So this is the dongle. You connect this part. Sorry, I was doing yard work. You connect this part back to your mirror, then reconnect your mirror in the back, and you got a USB-A for your camera. You don't have to use the Rexing camera. You can use, I think you can use pretty much any camera you want. And then also from Amazon, I got this 90-degree angle USB cord to mini. No, yeah, this is mini USB to USB-A, because this camera uses mini USB for power. It comes in a package of 2. It's got a right angle and a left angle, so you can choose wherever you're gonna put your camera. I'm still not sure where I'm gonna put mine, which side of the truck. If I'm gonna put it over here, or sorry, over here, or over here. I think I'm leaning toward this side, so I don't block so much my vision over here. So we'll see. So I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna plug the dongle, see if it works, and I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Okay, so we're gonna press the button. That's the plug. So we're gonna connect the dongle in the same position in the back of the mirror. Let me remove my Miso Customs air freshener for now, so it's not on the way while I'm trying to do this. So this one goes back here. Clicks into place, and then the mirror goes in there. It's hard to do it with one hand. Right there. Okay, so we're gonna get the USB. We need the one that goes, this is the camera, goes like this. The power is on this side, so if I'm gonna install it on that side, okay, we're gonna stop here. Okay, everything's connected. This is just temporary right now. Focus. Goes to the camera. So I'm gonna test it out, see if it works. I'm gonna put power. There it is. The truck needs to be on, which I like. So the camera is gonna start recording every time you start the truck, and it should go when you turn off the truck. There you go. Like I said, I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit, see where I'm gonna put the camera, either on this side or on that side, and we should be done. I put this links in descriptions on the description. See, we don't need this big cord anymore, which I was gonna have to run through the headliner, down through the door, all the way down through here, under the seat, into the center console, through this channel right here, down, and plug it into the 12 volt port down there. But now with this simplex focus, simple USB mirror to dash or adapter, you don't have to do that. It's really easy to add a dash camera in your Tacoma. So let me clean this up and I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Okay, so there's the mount. Here's the camera. I made sure I had enough room so I can push it back so it can be taken off and on and off easily. So we're gonna put it, see, to take it off, just push it back. There's enough room in there. And on. There's the dongle right there, the USB cable. That's all you need. So we're gonna test it out again. I decided to put it on this side because over here I got too much stuff with the GoPro mount and this remote start, and that way I can access the SD card without removing the camera very easy. So we're gonna start the truck. And with this, on the Rexing, with this you can adjust the angle of the camera. That look good. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is just a short video on mainly on the dongle for the Toyota Tacoma, because you can use any camera you want. Thank you very much. This is the Illegal Garage. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Thank you. Bye.